The search engine Google is showing this animated doodle in few countries for celebrating Ignacia Anaya Garcia's 124th birthday. The Mexican culinary innovator Ignacia Anaya Garcia was born on this day in 1895, that is around 124 years back on August 15th. He is known by his nickname Nacho, a common abbreviation for Ignacio. Nacho revolutionized the cooking world by inventing the dish he dubbed Nacho Specials. The year was 1943 and Garcia was working as a master at Club Victory, a popular restaurant in the border town of Mexico. One day, the wives of US soldiers arrived at the restaurant asking for a snack after it had closed for the day. Unable to find a chef, Ignacio Nacho Anaya started cooking by himself. He created a new snack for them with what little he had available in the kitchen. When asked what the dish was called, he answered, Nacho Specials. His dish became famous and written up in an American cookbook as early as 1949. In 1960, Garcia had opened his own restaurant, El Nacho. In the 76 years since their invention, nachos have spread all over the world. A mass-produced version was introduced in 1976 at Arlington Stadium in Texas with liquefied cheese sauce pumped out of large cans. Stadiums were quickly selling more nachos than popcorn. Although Garcia refused to patent his creation by saying, "It is just a snack to keep my customers happy," his name has gone down in history.